Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Willie T with an E in the 3, and we back with another video today. Today we're talking about the Toyota soarer, the Lexus SC300. But we're drifting that bitch today. We're drifting that motherfucker today. Here we go, 1JZ Toyota soarer. Stock to drift ready in 2 days, man. By our people, Shakura Weekly. If you don't subscribe, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but if y'all don't watch them, bro, they really one of them top. They really one of them niggas. They really cover them niggas in this car shit, bro. They really like that. Get right to it. Let's do it.
I love 90s cars with freaking turbo engines. From factory.
A PGI. Y'all know what that is.
Like for twins, like the boost rolls on, but when it's in, it's in.
That's fire.
Third gear pulls.
Right behind me, I have my.
I need another boosted car, bro. I need to boost a car, bro. That's what we're working on, bro. We're going to boost the car. I might get my 97 Mustang on the road just to boost that bitch.
New to me, 1994 Toyota Soarer. And for the next 2 days, we're gonna be getting this thing drift ready.
So we have an event this Saturday, and what we're gonna do to this car is relatively basic. As I said before, this is just everything that I consider a must-have for drifting. You can still drift without these things, or some of these things. This is just like to get the most enjoyment for the cheapest price. This is what my build sheet consists of. So first off, we have Ruben right here. He's gonna be fabbing up a custom angle kit for us.
Custom angle kit. I need some friends. We need to get a shop. We need to be doing shit. Custom angle kit is crazy though. Like, where do people have these skills to do this shit, bro?
The knuckles and extending the lower control arms, which he'll talk about more once we get this all removed. Second thing, you can't drift a car with an open differential. This thing, to our knowledge, as of right now, has an open diff. So we're gonna remove that and weld it. Those two things already will make your drift car a million times better. Well,
those two things will make your drift car drift.
Make your drift car able to drift. First off, too.
Type shit.
Third thing, so you guys might recall, I have a S14. I'm gonna be robbing the seat and the steering wheel setup and just tossing it into this thing for now. That way I'm planning it at the track and not getting tossed around like crazy. And then fourth, just little minor maintenance things here and there. This thing needs an oil change, some belts. That's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not completely sold on switching over to the SC300 or SC400 chassis just yet. When I was searching for a new SC300 or SC400. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not completely sold on switching over to the SC300 or SC400 chassis just yet.
They came out with a different chassis? I thought it was the same exact car. Oh, I guess this is like the 1994. I guess it's like the older version, but I could have sworn. I don't know. I don't know much about the real history, but I know they're the same car. Maybe since the 94 is different.
When I was searching for a new C-Time card, this for sure wasn't even a competitor. Like Ruben said, this is kind of just a Facebook marketplace find. I'm definitely not opposed to it, especially this being a 1JZ turbo. This is like best case scenario if you do have a SC300, SC400.
See?
But this definitely was not my first choice. So I'm going to feel it out this event. We're going to do all these little minor things here and there. Just want to do the basics, feel it out, see how I like this chassis, and then just go from there. So, yeah.
Let's clap it up for the quality, bro. Them and Night Ride 4K. If I start doing videos like this is exactly how my videos gonna look. Y'all see the quality in my goddamn reaction. Y'all see the camera quality. Stop playing. Let me show y'all things I thought I was playing. Got look good yet? All right, cool. Let's do it. Oh shit.
Everything happens in time. There's a time for everything. There's a time for being. There's a time to be sold.
Everyone's currently chopping the lower control arms and welding the knuckles. And then I'm about to weld the differential here shortly. While he's doing that, I'm gonna move to the interior, start working on that because our seat brackets and steering wheel hub adapter have finally arrived. So I have a Nardi from when I owned the Miata that I was gonna throw in the Miata, but I didn't have a steering wheel spacer. I never ended up ordering one, so there's kind of been sitting around. It's just a 330 Nardi Classic. Funny enough, it was actually the steering wheel from Rubens' car when he first got it done. I bought it back from the guy that bought it from him. So yeah, I think I'm gonna run it in this. If that wheel feels too small or sits too close to the blinkers, then I'm gonna throw on.
How do I feel about custom steering wheels? Not custom, but like, I guess racing steering wheels, like the NRGs and shit like that. Cause I want to get one. I'm trying to put one in my truck, my project truck, just cause my cruise control doesn't work. So I'm like, there's no point in me having this basic old ass steering wheel. Like I might as well, like usually cause in my other both my Mustangs, I didn't want to get a custom steering wheel because I wanted my cruise control. So yeah, I don't know why I brought that up, but he saw something I will. So yeah, type shit.
The whole work spell Nardi quick release setup from the 14 as well. If I end up doing that whole wheel setup's gonna go back to the 14 because I like how that wheel setup is. And I'll just end up ordering a spacer for this car for 330, but we'll see. I will say I am kind of sad of getting rid of these couch seats, or at least my couch seat, because I kid you not, drive home was like 230 miles.
Damn.
That was probably the most comfortable I've ever been doing that route back and forth. I don't know what it is, like 90s big seats, like lazy boy seats, are just the best. They're just like, they like hug you, but not really. You know what I mean?
Type shit.
But now I thank God for correction. I thank Him for hardship because it shows me exactly.
That rear end is fucked up. That motherfucker is through the roof, boy.
Where I am, where I was, and where I need to be.
Damn. I feel that though, bro, because it's like working on a car is 10 times easier and faster when you don't have to record it. A job you could have did in literally 30 minutes takes like an hour and a half because you're trying to record everything. I don't know, it just takes a lot of time. Not gonna lie.
Got our candidate. All we need right here is Johnny as straight as an arrow until you go to this side. It's like a damaged arrow, but it'll work.
Right hand drive. In the rain, perfect weather for drifting, bro. Especially a car like this. Ah, yeah, I gotta drift, bro. I still gotta drift. I race some go-karts now, though, so I'm doing one thing I want to do. That footwork is crazy. Footwork is insane.
So a little update on the soarer and the drift event. Starting off, I did run into a few issues at the drift event, or else there'd be more vlog footage of me drifting. Drove this thing for about 2 hours. I'm absolutely in love with how yachts drift in those 2 hours. I love how much angle they hold, and I love how this wheelbase feels when you're drifting faster. Let me explain. The S14, whenever you do on-ramps and off-ramps, it's a little twitchy. Like your steering wheel, you're hitting about third gear, you just have more steering wheel play. It's like, I don't know if it's understeering or just gripping up too much, but you definitely feel the front wheels more on that than you would on something like this. As you guys can tell by the footage, this thing isn't aligned. I made this angle kit at home and did not align it. At the drift event, I was kind of fighting the steering. The self-steer was a little wonky. But that's nothing that some toe adjustments can't fix. Like a proper alignment would go a long way on this thing
Tight.
and make it feel super good. The other good is this thing is extremely comfortable. The drift event's about an hour away. I drove it like this, and that was probably the most
Damn.
comfortable ride I've ever had to a drift event in my life. This potato sack seat,
Imagine driving your car to a drift event. What if you crash that bitch? Like, what if you crash? What if you crash out? You break it. How you gonna get home? Hey man, hour and a half is crazy.
that's in the passenger. I was given a few ride-alongs. No complaints. No one's getting tossed or anything. The suspension travels perfect. It's just overall an extremely comfortable car. Now the last good thing from the drift event is my birthday was in October. We did this drift event in October. Or no, we did this drift event in November, but my birthday was October. And the boys, they all came together. They bought me a BN sports kit for this car,
Damn.
which is gonna look so
That's
good
nice.
once it's completed. The footage shown right now is from my good friend Alex Melnick's YouTube video. If you guys want to see that full video, I'll link in the description below. Go check it out. Now the really bad, the car is misfiring. It's not throwing any check engine lights. It's not the coil packs. We unplugged the coil pack. It threw a check engine light. All the coil packs seem to be running in order. There's no visible leaks or anything like that. The spark plugs look good. We're thinking it's something fuel related. I actually took the car to drift out in the snow yesterday. I'll put that footage over. It was misfiring then too. All right, in case you guys want to know how bad it's breaking up, I think you can see my dash. That's 2K, that's 1K, 2K, 0,
Bro,
1.
look at this. 1994, bro. What the fuck, bro? This shit looks fantastic. Got the RPM, the digital RPM, the mileage. Pfft, that's fire.
Second gear pull, full throttle. Full throttle, full throttle, full throttle, full throttle, full throttle. Okay. Third
Damn.
gear pull, full throttle. That's literally like the kicking in and my foot's all the way down. About 2 months ago, when we were at the drift event, about 2 hours into drifting, the car started throwing me in a limp mid-drift. It'll just cut power randomly. Just like, it wasn't too bad at first. I did another lap, got a little bit worse. Did another lap, got really bad. Decided not to drift the car at that event anymore, just because I didn't want to risk this motor popping or anything happening. So in that video, I'm actually pressing the throttle all the way the whole time. When I say second gear, fully pinned, that's just how much the breakup is. Then when I put it into third, same thing, fully pinned, and it's just breaking up that bad. It literally like cuts off all power.
Damn.
I don't really know what it is. Me and Ruben both think it's something fuel related, maybe like,
Probably.
I don't know, bad injector perhaps, fuel filter, fuel pump. ECU's never been touched with. The car hasn't thrown any codes of any sort. So if anyone's owned a 1JZ GTE and had similar
But
issues,
that's the worst feeling. It's just your car fucking up and they don't throw no check engine light, or your check engine light though, but they don't be throwing shit that even worth anything.
let me know in the comments, please. I'll be reading them. I just thought I would come on here, give you guys some context to the SOAR. You guys will update on how it is and how that drift event went. But I wish I had more footage. I was just about to grab the camera and start giving it to people to start filming me sliding, but I started limping. So next video on this thing will probably be after it comes back from the frame shop. Again, I have an appointment in about 2 weeks. I have the rear clip ready. Once my frame guy is ready for me, I'll have him take it in, fix that rear end.
Yes,
And
sir.
then when it comes back, I'll give you guys an update of how the frame looks. And then we'll probably start retrofitting that BN Sports kit I have and getting this thing ready for paint. So yeah, stay tuned for the next videos. See you guys later.
Yes, sir. Oh. Oh, we gotta watch this one. Oh. You know, we're not watching this video yet. You know, it just feels good just to watch a good quality video, you know? You just don't get those anymore, man. Just a good quality video. A good, comfortable quality video. I mean, unless you watch me, but other than that, you just don't get those type of videos anymore. Good quality, good context. It's fantastic, bro. Shit. Yeah, fuck, dude. Soarer. We're trying to build this channel up, and we're trying to get to that point where we can just build cars, bro. Just building cars. Like, soon there's gonna be, we building up the audience on my reactions, and then we're gonna switch back to IRL, man. We went IRL at first, then we slid over to you know what I'm saying, in the house. Then we're gonna slide back to IRL. Just trusting the process, man. 2024 is the process of foundation and stability within what we trying to get done type shit. So yeah, I shoot these videos probably daily. So like, as I'm shooting these, like, I'm posting like damn near same day or next day. So it's like I'm just updating y'all like on some daily shit. Like this on some like daily diary type shit, daily journal type shit. Today it was a good day. Had a great day. Every day I wake up, I make sure I try to do something that has to do with videos, bro. I gotta shoot a video, gotta edit a video, gotta do a reaction videos, you gotta drop a video. So we're not slacking up. This year is like, last year was a comfortable year for me. It wasn't comfortable. Last year I got too comfortable. This year, don't get too comfortable. That is a motto of the year. As I sit here, January 16th, don't get too comfortable. And I want to look back on this and I want to look back at this couple months and be like, I never got comfortable one time. I kept pushing. 15 videos a month. I think we're on video 5, 6, 7, one of these things. And yeah, I like to talk at the end. And you know what I'm saying? I know a lot of y'all don't make it to the end, but if y'all do make it to the end, I appreciate y'all. We just sitting here chop it up type shit. Let me see how many videos I got this month. Oh damn, it's hard to look at because I don't know what exact day. Okay, January 7th. Okay. January 27th, December 30th, January 2nd. I tried to video on the 1st January. I didn't. 2nd, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've dropped 9 videos so far. I'm gonna drop 15 videos this month. I've dropped 9 videos so far, and we still got 10, 13. We still got like 13, 14, 15 more days. 15 more days type shit. It's got 15 more days. So 15 more days, 9 videos. What's that? 15 videos. I got 6 more videos to post. We might go for 20 videos this month. We might have to go 20 videos this month. But 15 videos minimum. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification. And yeah, I made this little last part very long, but fuck it. And yeah, appreciate y'all, man. I got you to get you one, me and got you one. You better get you one. I thought give me one. I get mine if we get yours. I'm gonna tear the city up, but real. Goodbye.